So I recently had someone comment that ketosis is good for certain people, but not everyone. Okay, so I wanted to do a video just on that one single point. Ketosis is hardwired into our genetics. Ketones, which is the byproduct of fat burning, okay, is not an alternative fuel source. It's a primary fuel source. Glucose or sugar is an alternative fuel source, not ketones. Mother Nature never designed the body to primarily run on glucose, and especially not on 30 teaspoons of sugar a day like an average American. Our bodies were developed and adapted to infrequent eating and consuming low carbs, and definitely not on the frequency that people eat. They eat every hour and a half. And this is another point that I mentioned to this person. An average non-overweight person has about 77,000 calories of stored fat and only 1,700 calories of stored sugar. So if our bodies were meant for carbs, why do we have such a short storage facility of glycogen, 1,700 calories, and not a larger capacity to store carbohydrates? So no, our bodies were meant to live off the fat, and that's why we have such a large capacity sitting there to use. So unless a person does low carb and intermittent fasting, they never have a chance to tap into all this extra energy, this potential energy, and they just keep depleting their glycogen reserve, filling it back up with carbs, deplete it, filling it back up with carbs. And this is why so many health conditions improve when you do healthy ketosis, and so many conditions worsen when you're running your body on sugar, which is called glycolysis. So ketosis and intermittent fasting is nothing new. It's been around for a very, very long time. It's a natural thing to do. It has huge therapeutic benefits, and ketones are the primary fuel source. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, a lot of you already have my book, some of you don't, but this new edition called the New Body Type Guide is an upgrade from my last edition called the 7 Principles of Fat Burning. It has 156 images, 378 pages, full glossary. I talk about keto, intermittent fasting, the body types in detail. I have a new stress chapter. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and a comprehensive FAQ. I put a link down below. Check it out.